Hey everyone, in this part we're going to see how to use artistic visual effects in VideoPad. For that, first click on the clip on the sequence. On Home tab, click on the video effects, go to the artistic section and click on border. If you want, you can change the width of the border by dragging the slider. Click on the eyedropper to take the color from the video. And click on OK button. Again click on the video effects, go to the artistic section and click on dots. It will add dots on entire video. You can change the shape of the dots by clicking on this arrow and click on circle option. To change the color of dots, click on the color option and click on color. Click on OK button to apply it. If you don't like the effect, click on the delete effect option. To add the glow effect, click on the video effects and go to the artistic section and click on the glow option. To change the glowiness, drag the slider on the left or the right side. Now, if you want to make your video to look like an old film, click on the video effects and go to the artistic section and click on old film. To see the effect of the option, enable it by clicking the checkbox and click on play button. If you want to remove the effect, click on the delete effect option. Now click on the play button under clip preview panel. So this way you can add artistic visual effects to your picture or video in VideoPad.